Hi, this is Adrian. I have a lot of category of airplanes to show you today. First, let's start with these ones. As you see all these United airplanes, there's this white one, the 747. United Airlines. The second one's the gray one. It's been old. It's the 747. This one, these two, this one, and this one. You might actually have two of these, and these are these are like 767s. This is a white one that I usually have, like I got it, and it's like a 777. Next, we'll start with this, Lufthansa. As you can see, it's so big. Oh, we tip up there. This airplane is actually a 747 400. This one is Northwest. It's a 747. This one's a 787, which is coming. It just arrived in service here. This one is Alaska Airlines, which is a 737. Here is the United States of America, 747. Next, as you see next, you see the three Air France airplanes. So I got this one for Christmas. As you see, I got these two for Christmas. This one, the first one, and the last one. This Air France is 777, 777. You see on the scale. As you see next, this one's on the scale and see what it is. This one is satellites. These two are Virgin Atlantics. As you see all those Virgin Atlantics, there is this one. They're both a 747. And you can, as you see in there, Atlantic. The airplanes ever. This one has lights. Next, here comes the blue KLM. Next, it's a KLM. It's a 747. As you see on the scale. This is Boeing's KLM, Boeing 747 400. Scale 1/250. If you guys have this, it's good. Next, here comes the Airbus A380 of Singapore Airlines. As you see, I've seen one of these before in Paris when I was coming back from France. And right here, the A380. I think you guys may have seen one of those, or if you're ridden in one of these, you can see the higher deck with lots of seats. Next, more about that later. You may enter that on YouTube. Japan Airlines. It's a 747 400. You see these anywhere. Next comes the MBX. This is the 747. Next, this is the ANA. This one is a 747. This is a Southwest. It's a 737. This one is Qantas. 747. Next, as you see, British Airways. It has the scale 2. See that wingtip up there? The 747, and you can see these blue engines. See that tail right here? See the other side right here. Next. This is the last thing. Last thing of that video. There is no scale on this airplane. Then in about a few weeks, I'll be showing you the trucks that go with the airplanes. I hope you enjoy that.